Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to the search at the bottom and then click at the search line at the top. Write SOUNDPEATS and now search. And you need to install this application what called SOUNDPEATS. After that, open it, click Apply for permission and Allow. And now it should ask you to log in into your account, so just give me a second, I will show it to you. Yeah, so you will see this menu. You click at the login and write your password and your email. Also, you can create a new account by click at the register right here or right here. And then you just log in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.